Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you part 2 of my how to make beans video. Part 1 will be linked in the description box below, and in that video I show you how to make whole beans from scratch, from the beginning. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make refried beans. And refried beans is a traditional staple of Mexican cuisine, and it's basically the whole beans with a little bit of that same bean juice mashed up with some oil, and we introduce some new herbs and spices to give it a whole new flavor. So if you want to learn how I make my refried beans, please stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription box below and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So the first step to refrying the beans will be to heat up our pan. And while our pan is heating up, we're going to add some oil, enough to coat the pan. Once the oil is heated, we will go ahead and add our herbs and vegetables. As far as ingredients for the refried beans, we'll be using 5 Chile Japonés, or Japanese chili pods, 1 Chile Guajillo, 3 garlic cloves, and a few onion slices. We will also be using canola oil to fry our beans. The first thing we're going to add is our garlic. We're then going to add our onion slices. Oh, it smells amazing. We're going to add a few chilies, and you can omit the chilies if you don't like spice. The Japanese chilies have quite a spice. However, the Guajillo chili does not have too much spice, so this should be okay. And I add these for flavoring. It gives it such an amazing flavor. I'm going to stir it up for about a minute to a minute and a half. Until the onion is a little bit tender. So you want to lightly fry them, but not too much because you don't want these chilies to get over fried. So this looks good. Now we're going to add our beans, and I have one of these types of kitchen spoons so that I don't grab too much juice. Okay, now I do want some juice because I don't want them to be too dry, so I'm going to pour some juice in. Not too much, but just enough to make them a little bit soft. And that's perfect. Now, I'm going to go ahead and smash them with the bean smasher. And when you're smashing the beans, you're also smashing the chilies and the herbs, and they release their juices that were formed while cooking. Now it's up to you how well you want them mashed. Some people like them still a little bit whole, while others like them very mashed. You can also put them in a blender if you want them super creamy for like tostada. But I like mine a little bit chunky for the most part. And there you have it. 5 minutes later and they're done. You can pair these with sour cream. You can use them as a dip for any sporting events, for any pool parties. You can pair them with eggs in the morning. You can pair them with a quesadilla. You can just go ahead and put the cheese in there, some beans, and you're ready to go. You can make tacos. These are so versatile and so delicious. So give these a try, and I would really love to hear if any of you guys have your own recipes. Please comment below so I can try those out as well. Now I'm going to do the taste test. They're delicious. They're creamy, they're soft, they're full of flavor. So I encourage you to give these a try. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.